Okay, guys, check this out. Cardano is crashing like crazy right now. It went from 2.8 down to 2.5. What's that? 8% in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, guys. In 2 minutes, we went down 8%. Cardano flash crashed, guys. Cardano flash crashed. Right now, it's pumping up. I'm wondering. This is 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. Cardano USDT. How does that look like, man? 8% in 2 minutes. What happened? And I was just watching. I was just watching Cardano, right? Like 5 minutes ago, I was watching Cardano. I was watching it on the Cardano on the daily, and I was looking that it was, you know, it was down here below the 10 moving average, and I was like thinking like, hey man, maybe Cardano right now, you know, is it looking bearish? What's happening with Cardano? And suddenly, like on the minute, I was watching it, like bam, look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. 8.22% down, right in the gutter. 8% down in 2 minutes. This is not, I mean, 8% down in 2 minutes is not sustainable. So, you know, if you got your binds down here or whatever happened, I don't know. But right now, it's just picking up. We're gonna see how this is gonna go. Grats from the work. Thanks, man. Hello, everybody. Hello, Batch. Hello, Ralph. Hello, Ron. You know, how's everybody doing? There is news story on the Google's news saying something about update won't work morning. Brave. What's Cardano saying? Cardano. Let's just see Cardano news. Cardano gives unequivalent no to vaccine passport. No. Time to be cautious on Cardano. Analysis Michael blah blah. Pepe looks at what's next for explosive altcoin. Cardano joins crypto's creative destruction loop. What shall Bitcoin and Ether cryptocurrency platform is take? That's 4 days ago, 6 days ago. Let's see here. Soaked by recent past hour. Why could Cardano return 1,668% in 8 months and become blah blah? Institutional interest in cryptocurrency price today. Bitcoin of 52 inches. There is nothing on Cardano. There is nothing. There is no news on Cardano. I don't know, Batch. I don't know where you get your news from. No, sorry, Shin. But you know, there is news story on Google News saying something about update won't work. Morning, man. If you can find the news, I would be grateful. You know, but it was a nice dump. It was not. Now we started a little bit early, so we're gonna wait until 9 a.m. You know, so everybody can join in. Everybody could join in. We are a little bit early today, unfortunately. But you know, we had to start early to watch the dump, man. We had to start early to watch the dump. Yeah, Solana went up, but it's not. Solana is dumping a little bit now as well. No, it's not. This is 1 hour. Sorry, it's 1 minute chart. This is 1 minute chart. Let's see it daily. Yeah, Solana on the daily is pumping like crazy. Solana on the daily is pumping crazy. 1 USD also pumping above certain resistance up here. Let's just remove it here. Now we are not starting before 9 a.m. So you know we got time to play with the altcoins right now. We got time to play with altcoins. You can see here. This is Harmony 1, 9% up. Everything looks in red on my chart. There are some, like Phantom is up 20%. It's going parabolic right now. So you know this is going parabolic. So a few coins went parabolic. Phantom went parabolic. Solana went. It didn't go parabolic. It went rocket. Solana went rocket. You know, up here. Solana, FTM. What more? One went parabolic. I think Hex went also parabolic. Yeah, parabolic. Hex went parabolic. Atom. I don't know. What more did go parabolic, guys? I find a link. Yeah, you find a link, man. But you cannot post the link, so you know, you just tell me what to look for, man. What's up? What's up, debutant? Wrong. BTC dominance going slightly up. That's nice. Let BTC blast off. If Bitcoin is going up and dominance goes up, that means that altcoins are bleeding. So let's see the dominance right now. Where is the dominance? Here is the dominance. technically speaking, this is still, you know, this is still going down. Although, you know, we have these small pulls to the upside right now, small pull to the upside. But if Bitcoin goes up and this goes up, that means that altcoins are not going up that much. So, you know, they're kind of bleeding. They're kind of bleeding. Can you check Dent? Yeah, sure, man. Why? Because, you know, CoinSkids was talking about, you know, Dent being the next X15. Where is Dent on my chart? Let me just find it up here. I got it somewhere. Where is it? There's Dent. Minus 1.43% today. Oh, Dent is looking nice, guys. Dent is looking nice. So, but let's see here. It is climbing up. It is getting ready, guys. Dent is getting ready, definitely up here. Up here, yeah, it is getting ready. Now these three down here might indicate some sort of a, it's not it's, you know, the resistance line is fine. The problem is down here. So this might be some kind of cup and handle. And guys, I've been talking on the Patreon about this, and you know, somebody has been mentioning me, but a lot of coins right now got cup and handle forming, and right now everything is looking to break this handle. I think, you know, Jewel on the Patreon Telegram said, you know, mentioned to me that Link is having head and shoulders pattern. But Link already broke that head and shoulders pattern. You can see here, Link had a, you know, not head and shoulders, cup and handle pattern, and it already broke it. So, you know, so right now Link is going up, and I'm thinking maybe 47, maybe 47. That's on a weekly, right? Yeah, up to 38, or I don't know why do I have 47 up here? I don't know why I have 47. Daily up 40. I don't know why I have 47. I don't know. Long time since I drew this up here, you know, but 47 is some kind of target. What about the graph? The graph, the next Google, right? The next Google. The graph is the next Google. Now, unfortunately, nobody's talking about graphs. You know, it does not have that much memes around it, but yeah, a lot of coins are doing this move right now, this move up here, this move up here. A lot of coins are doing this move. So you can see here there is some kind of you know, cup and handle here as well. Maybe we can draw something like this up here. We got 1 minute left. We got 1 minute left, guys. So maybe there's some kind of you know, maybe some kind of, you know, very weird head and shoulders pattern on the graph. Maybe I mean, it's really yeah, we are pushing it for right now. We are pushing it, yeah, but whatever, yeah, we are pushing it, you know. But head and shoulders pattern, or maybe some kind of cup and handle pattern that's forming up here. So you can see even the graph is right now forming this cup and handle, but the neckline is very important. Now it depends on where the neckline is. Is this the neckline, or is this up here the neckline, right? Is this up here the neckline? Because right now, you know, so, you know, finding the neckline and figure out where the neckline is, that's the trick. Maybe this is the neckline right now. You can see here hitting this resistance right now. So you're gonna see how this actually works out. Okay, guys, 9 AM. Welcome to the Bitcoin Daily Show. 9 AM every single day on the dollar. We do Bitcoin. Wait, bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the Bitcoin Daily Show. Every single day on the dollar, 9 AM we do this, you know, Bitcoin Daily tech analysis. What's gonna happen with altcoins? Because if Bitcoin goes up, altcoins goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, altcoins goes down. So you gotta know what's happening in Bitcoin. Is it going up? Is it going down? What's up? That's how everybody is doing in the chat. Michael's on the job. Honza is back in the chat. A long time I've seen you, so definitely bull run is definitely happening since Honza is here. Martin, Ralph, the Butin, Batch. Hit like button, says Michael. Listen to Michael. This is the coffee from 2-3 days ago, so we're not drinking that. Any technical target for Dent? Maybe, but not right now. Now we are in the Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin part. What kind is that? Short squeeze? No, that would be long squeeze. Long squeeze. Yeah, so it did Cardano correct from the, I started, this stream prematurely because Cardano dropped 8% in 2 minutes. It had flash crash. Cardano had flash crash. So for you guys, new guys that have not been here like that, so that have not been here like 10 minutes ago, we had a flash crash on Cardano. We started the stream prematurely because the flash crash came 8.28% or Cardano down. I don't think this is, I don't think this is 1 minute chart. I don't think this is sustainable, so, already picking back up. So you're gonna see how this actually works. But it, just before it actually happened, I was about to say something about Cardano, and I was seeing that it was going inside, back inside over here. I was like, look at XRP, guys. XRP is pumping, Matic is pumping up there, but Cardano is like, why? What's happening? And I wanted to ask everybody, is Cardano right now, before the dump, of course, before that, is Cardano right now bottoming out, or is it actually gonna crash? Because this might be bottoming out, going here, finding support and then continue towards the upside. That might be bottoming out, but then it crashed. Then it crashed down here, but it's picking up now. So as long as it picks up now, it might be very bullish. We are not gonna talk about Cardano, but that's what we started talking about on the stream. Bitcoin is doing very well right now. Bitcoin is breaking everything to the upside. Of course, from the previous week, we know that Bitcoin broke the resistance up here and right now pushing it even higher. Bitcoin doesn't care. Bitcoin goes higher. The next resistance, as we know, is 55,777. This is on Binance. So 55,777, that's the number. Let's put it up here so it's nice easy. That's the number to watch for. I think we can go all the way up there right now. It doesn't seem that there should be anything stopping us. Let's see the weekly. The weekly still looks fine. Bullish cross here. RSI looks fine. No problem. Nothing. No overbought signals. On the RSI, we broke yesterday the neckline. Sorry, the trend line on the RSI daily. So that's nice. Getting bullish cross on the MACD. Everything fine. So no problems. We are riding the moving averages. On the weekly, we are above all the moving averages. On the daily, above all the moving averages. On the 4-hourly, above all the moving averages, and just climbing really nicely. Even this 4-hourly has some really nice climb. I think there was divergence here, but let's see if there is any more divergence here on the 4-hourly. I think there might be. There is no actually. You can see here there was tiny divergence up here. We pulled back and then we blessed towards the upside. There is no divergences on the 4-hourly. There is no divergences right now on the daily. On the weekly, there is no divergence on the weekly. So everything is working as it should. This is definitely right now going towards the upside. I'm looking at 55,777 as the next target. Monthly looks, up here, it looks like it's escaping the 10 moving average, which is actually good. What you don't want to see is, you don't want to see, a 10 moving average go like this and then, price hugging the 10 moving average. That's a very bad sign. It will go something like this up here. That's a bad sign because it drops down. But escaping, you can see here it's lifting away from this is 10 moving average, and right now it's lifting away from the 10 moving, and that's a good sign. You can see all the way down here we haven't been down there at 44,000, not even close to 44. Now we're just lifting towards the upside. That's a good sign. So there is technically no bad sign, guys. There is no bad sign. There is no bad sign. It looks, but maybe we should be a little bit, controversial. We should be a little bit, contrarian and think like when everything looks good, maybe we should go down. Maybe we should go down. No, we're not gonna do that. Is this going to be a 100K run in the next 3 months? We do not know. But if we get, if we get past 60,000 up here, 70, 80,000, 70,000, 8,000, 100,000, then you can say, yeah, it's gonna be 100,000. TLI, is there a quality aspect on RSI, like a little bit medium or big divergence? There is no crash like 20-30% in the last 3 months, either accumulation or is going up. The beauty, I don't think like all divergences are divergences. I don't think there is a little or medium or big divergence or anything like that. Maybe there is, but I don't have any statistics on it. Nobody's writing on it and nobody's saying anything. What you're gonna see is let's say this down here is RSI, and this is a chart. So what you're gonna see is the price make at one point a lower low or higher low, whatever. It creates some kind of divergence, right? And then you're gonna see a big divergence on the RSI. Now that might indicate that so a small big divergence contract sometimes also it has a small divergence, so it might indicate that this is a more bullish indication. So how maybe there is some kind of indication of how big the divergence is, and that might indicate if we are really bullish, because I did notice sometimes that you get these small price, like small higher highs or lower lows, or any kind of price movement to the upside, downside, but the RSI like goes way below that or way above that. So maybe it does have some kind of importance, how big the divergence it is, but you know, it's really hard to, you know, figure any kind of system on that. I haven't seen any kind of systematic, like saying like above 20% or something like. But I think it does have. But you know, I'm not sure. I've noticed that sometimes, you know, these divergences are really big, and you know, with really small price moves, and then the price goes in opposite direction. Poor ADA's going to hold, believe it, will do great in time to come. Just fill my bags a little more. Linda, I hope that's good. We are just talking about ADA right now dumping. Right now, Cardano is also dumping 3% down. This is weekly. Let's go to the daily. So everything, a lot of these coins are right now 3-4% down. Wow, is it the dump coming, guys? Is the dump coming? I'm seeing, you know, right now Cardano down by 4.95%. It was down on the minute chart. It was down 8%. You know, that's why you started stream a little bit, 4 point something percent, give or take, right? 4.3%. It was down 4.3%. Maybe it's, look at it. This is rejection of the 20 moving. It has to get up. It has to get up above this level, above 274. Above 274 to continue, you know, to climb it towards the upside, because this might actually crash towards the downside. This might actually crash towards the downside. So we're gonna see that. XRP minus 3.2% down. This is also 1 minute chart, but XRP didn't flash crash. XRP did. So exactly 850, the crashes start coming. 850 crash start coming. Also here 850, 849. This is 850. 850 crashes start coming in. 850. You can see on my chart 850. You can see, so everything right now looks like it is going towards downside. Guys, you see this chart? This is VeChain. This is VeChain on Binance on 1 minute chart. You see how Matic looks really nice. Minus 3.7. Oh, we are having a big dump, guys. Big dump, guys. Look at this. This is a Matic. Look at it dump. No, it's 1 minute chart, guys. Relax, guys. It's 1 minute chart. It's okay. But I just want to show you. You see how these candles are really nice on Matic, for example. They're really nice on Matic, on XRP, really nice candles, on Cardano, really nice candles. But on VeChain, you get this, you know, these big wicks up and down. Do you guys know what this is? Do you know what it is? What this is? Why does this look like this on 1 minute chart? I hope this is precursor to BTC dump. It dumps. Is anyone's stream lagging also? Why is my stream lagging, man? Why is my stream lagging? The 1 minute and 1 hour chart don't mean anything. I can't go to the bathroom and come back. Salam, you got it very well. You got it very well. It doesn't mean, you know, you go to the bathroom, come back, it's all already gone. You know, this happens because the volume is low. This is an indication of a low volume chart, and these are bots buying and selling. Over here, I mean, bots are here as well, but you know, there is normal price movement on the small minute chart here, but on VeChain there is not. Let's see Shiba. You can see Shiba is even worse. This is bots buying and selling. This is 1 minute chart on Shiba. Let's see something. What's worse? ICP on Binance. ICP is nice. Chili's should have, it is a little bit, but not that much. Audio, bake, band, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash on Kraken. Look at this, man. This is low volume. This is low volume. That's why the charts look so messed up. Low volume. Then you got these bots that are, you know, Bitcoin down 1%, started exactly at, where's 59? 59 is down here. Exactly here. Exactly here. That's when started dumping down. 850 low volume. That's why sticks look like that, at least should be. Yeah, low volume, and then you got also bots, you know, buying and selling, and then they may create this really big. But the problem I have with you know, this isn't the problem, you know. This is 1 minute chart, doesn't matter, you know. You go to the 1 hour chart, you get the normal kind of candles, you know. They could be a little bit nicer. Daily there is enough volume to actually see the chart, you know, normal price chart. But then there are some actually some coins that have so low volume that you go on the daily and it looks like a minute chart, you know. It looks like it's so ugly. It's so ugly, you know. That's how low volume is. Dollar is gaining in strength. The reason for this breakdown. You think so? You think so? Dollar is up 0.03% today. I don't know. 1 minute chart. Where is 850? 850 down here. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's see daily, weekly. Sol and FTM holding competitive. By the way, guys, Phantom did today. Phantom was up. Let me see how much this Phantom is up there. 15%. It was up something like 20% today. Yeah, up to 1.7. So Phantom is holding up nicely, and Solana I think also is doing nice. But Solana is right now 12%. It was a little bit higher when I looked at it. Yeah. Let's see the 1 minute chart on Solana and Phantom. Where is the 950? 850 is up here. So, you know, I think everything started dumping from over here. I can already see here that there is some kind of divergence forming here on the small time frame. So, you know, maybe this is some kind of a bottoming pattern already here. Let's see if there are any divergences on 1 minute chart. Here there is no divergence, and then divergence starts up here. Yeah, so divergence, and then still continuing going down. Divergence. So this looks like already it's bottoming out on 1 minute chart over here for Solana. Let's see Bitcoin right now. What's Bitcoin doing? Let's see moving averages. Yeah, it's having small pullback, no problem. Pullback back to the moving average is fine. Sol and FTM holding competitively good. Pull up hourly, doesn't look bad. Higher lows, yeah, hourly, 4 hourly, yeah, it doesn't matter. It looks good, you know. Pullbacks are natural, pullbacks are fine, you know. Green candles on the XY. Suppose I'm getting 0 lag. If you're getting guys lag, just tell me, you know. I won't do anything about it because I cannot do anything about it, but you can tell me, Something similar happened yesterday around 2 p.m. European time. These dumps happen, guys. These dumps happen. Now we caught one dump, you know. That's fine, you know. On the live stream, that's fine, you know. We caught one dump, but you know, it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Some pullback might be in for the day, though. Some pullback might be in for the day. We're a little bit extended. Let's see how this looks on the 4 hourly. This is 4 hourly. No, this is daily. Let's see 4 hourly. It's still squeezing it. It's still squeezing it. This is the 4 hour. Let's see daily. Daily up here broke it. Daily up here broke it, but it was too steep. But he still broke it. He still broke it. It still broke to the upside, so and there's no extensions right now. It's fine. So you know, if it's a pullback, you know, it's just a small pullback right now. So we'll see how this actually works out. I'm looking at 10 and 20 moving average on the daily. 10 and 20 moving average is like around 49,000, you know. So if you can pull the back all the way back there, I still wouldn't be worried, you know. That's like some 5-6% down. Here on the 4 hour, it's down, yeah, at 49, 50, 100 moving average, give or take. Best case scenario, of course, is holding the 20 moving average, but you know, it can go down, no problem. Maybe some kind of 51,000 up here. No worries. Got liquidated at 2.6. Oh man, that sucks. On the Cardano, oh man, let's see here how's Cardano, how we went down, getting pushed down. Yeah. So right, yeah, but Cardano did 8%. Like, this is definitely some kind of liquidation mechanism going on. 8.3% down. This is definitely liquidation mechanism. I think people went, you know, too high, and then it suddenly just goes down there, fills up the bags, you know, and continues whatever it's gonna continue doing. But 2.6 down here, man. Yeah, it was a big dump. Like, it happens in seconds. This is the reason I tell everybody don't do leverage, man. This is the reason I tell everybody don't do leverage. In 2 minutes, you dump down 8.2%. You go 10x, you almost get liquidated, man. $100 on 50x leverage. Now BTC, a good idea. Leverage is never a good idea. Can you check veracity for me, please? Yeah. Thanks for the $5, man. Crypto Reloaded. I appreciate the money. VRA. Vera. Calculated by TradingView. What is this? What is this? RSI divergence on the daily, but the momentum is also going down. So momentum going down. It's rising. RSI divergence on daily, but pullback. This is already finished. Still fine up here. Weekly, not in some kind of overbought levels. It's above the moving average. It's above moving average, but a little bit extended. Maybe some kind of pullback before it actually continues going up. But it does look good. Is there any kind of probably some kind of support line down here. Yeah, don't break the trend line. Don't break the trend line downside. Like, you can do something like this up here, you know, but you know, you don't want to break the. What you want to do is right now, you don't want to increase the speed. You don't want to slow the speed up, right? So when you're climbing, you know, you want to increase the speed. You don't want to slow the speed down. But if it goes down, it goes below this trend line. So that's not a good sign, though. That's not a good sign. Breaking the trend line, you know, but maybe just gonna slow the speed up. Maybe it's just gonna climb up. Look for the 20 moving average. Don't go below 20 moving average, because it looks like 20 moving average has been giving it nice support up here. You can see here, down here, it was getting nice support, you know. So you don't want to go below the 20 moving average. But you know, in the short term, in the long term, you know, to a million, right? To a million. Bro, I'm disappointed. No dump. Yeah, no dump. It was just a fake out. It was just liquidation dump. It dumps down 10% instantly, and then okay, now we can go up. So everybody on 10 and more, it just gets liquidated entirely. Yes, now I can buy Solana. Do you guys know what happened here? Do you want to know what happened here? So everybody, I think a lot of people bought right over here. 10x leverage, because they are on the moving averages, so they buy on the moving average. So when they saw the price up here, you know, people start going long, and then, you know, we got this liquidation dump just to get everybody out, you know, and then it continues towards the upside. It might be that. It was just a fake out. Yesterday a similar thing happened. Sold FTM recovered. I tripped over my PC cord and it shut off. It happens. Bought low 100x on $100 on 50x. Yeah, if you're gonna do 50x, you should be doing like dollars, like $2-3 on 50x. $100 is fine. $100 is a little bit much, you know, but it depends on how. Hopefully it goes to 53k. So many loans got put in. Yeah, I don't think people are scared of this small dump. Yo, what just happened? All squeezed. Yeah, I don't think people are scared of the dump, guys. I don't think people are scared of the dump. But you know, I see some kind of pullback. You know, pullbacks happen. You can see here. You know, these pullbacks. It really doesn't matter. The pullbacks are this is matic, right? But pullbacks are pretty healthy. You know, when something goes up, you know, it has to pull back a little bit. That's fine. That's fine. No problem. Pullbacks are no problem. Pullbacks are no problem. Like in a minute on ledger. And yes, most will. Most will. So, guys, I think it looks good. I think it looks nice. Now, what I've been saying before, it still stands. Although it looks good, it looks nice. What I said before, it still stands. This move, you know, this inverted move usually breaks the downside. So you get this kind of move where it goes to upside and then it drops to the downside. Now, that happened before. Not actually here. Maybe here. Let's invert the chart. You can see here it's a little bit different. Now the chart is inverted, but you know, it goes up and it creates these higher highs. It creates these higher highs. Why is my... It creates these higher highs and at one point, you know, it just bam crashes towards downside, right? When it looks the best, it crashes towards downside. So if you invert this part up here, you know, it goes up and it crashes down. I mean, that can be the case. Don't want to be party pooper, but you know, I like the price going up. I like the price going up. Yeah, everything looks fine, you know, but you know, by the time it's actually confirmed that everything is good, everything is nice, no divergence, RSI not overbought, MACD bullish cross, everything looks fine. It's then when it actually dumps. Are we going to zero? No. You know, I would be worried if you get below 49,000 down here. You know, if we get back below down here, you know, I would be worried because then we are looking back to test 100, 200 moving average, you know. But we are still got this 50 moving average up here that might actually come. So on the daily, we are getting the golden cross. We are getting the golden cross. I forgot to talk about that. You remember here, this was that cross. Well, right now we are getting the golden cross up here. So unless this dumps right down, we are definitely getting the golden cross up here. This is that cross. This is the golden cross. 50 and 200 moving average. People have been calling for a dump correction for weeks. Well, people always call for dump corrections. Doesn't matter. Are you a bull yet? I'm always a bull and I'm always a bear. I really don't care where the price goes. Also, El Salvador bought our first Bitcoin today, so that's a strong for the market. Yes, El Salvador bought like 400 Bitcoin today, or not. I don't think it's actually today, you know, but they announced it today. So El Salvador bought Bitcoin, so it's starting, you know. So maybe these other countries are gonna, you know, how many poor countries are there? Poor countries count. Poor countries count. 107 developing countries. Okay, so I'm guessing Salvador is one of these. Okay, so if you got something like 107 countries buying around, I don't think El Salvador is gonna stop at 400 bitcoins. They're gonna get 1,000 bitcoin, at least 1,000 bitcoin. So that's 107,000 bitcoin. It's not even a million bitcoin. It's not even a million bitcoin. So you gotta, their country, even though they're developing country, they gotta extend this number. So it's gonna be like a million Bitcoin bought once these all 107 developing countries start buying, right? What's going on, Tila? What's happening to my corns? No. Pullback, normal pullback. But I'm seeing already Phantom right now 20%. Phantom doesn't care, and Solana is up 50%. Solana doesn't care. Bitcoin down 0.77. Small pullback, no problem. Yeah. No, this is ETH. But even ETH is going back to the moving averages. But it's not dumping down, it's just going sideways. So yeah, guys, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Could someone explain this change in price? I was unable to buy during it. I think it's just, you know, bots. When price drops down 8%, it's definitely bots. I've subscribed to you for a while. Love your channel. Thanks, Robert. Thanks, Robert Hoffman. I appreciate that. So, what are we gonna say for today? Maybe small pullback today. Maybe small pullback. It's already looks like maybe pullback's already finished, but you know, a little bit extend on the daily. Let's see here. Are we actually extend on the daily? I won't say the extent. I mean, we have had bigger extensions on the daily. It's not that like up here. Up here as a big extension, like down here it's like some big extensions right up here. This is the second one up here. That's there, right? But goes up there. Go back, go back. All of these goes back. Maybe he's gonna test the truth. Sure, why not? Go back to 0. Go back to 20. Moving average is gonna be fine. 49,000 is gonna be fine. 1259 Colorado. XRP, please. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We caught the Cardano flash crash. Golden cross is lagging indicator. Look where it crossed, and it was the absolute low. Yeah, we know. The golden cross is definitely lagging indicator. The golden cross is definitely lagging indicator. So if the golden cross is, you know, down here, give or take, right? Once you get the, you know, we got small pull down, but you know, whatever. So you know, we might get some small push up here, and it might be the top, right? It might be the top. I'm not saying it's gonna be the top, you know, but it might be the top. Hey, before you go, I think something is happening to ledger market. What is a ledger market? Ledger, let's see news. Let's see more tools recent past hour. Some analysis use Sarah, Pakistan, reason Flora. No, there are no news about it. I mean, if you know something that I don't know, somewhere is writing, you know. Just because your nano is maybe, you know, doing something weird does not mean that every nano, you know, and ledger is actually, you know, misbehaving. .06 BTC example was only worth 35. Yeah, I don't know what's happening with ledger, man. Maybe just your ledger. Are you sure it's just, you know, maybe your ledger, you know, it's kind of messed up, you know. Maybe you were lost on the floor a couple of times. How's the remodel going? Kind of crap. It's going fine. I did the oiling of the, you know, floor yesterday, but you know, now I have to, you know, it wasn't good and I chose the wrong color. I could pick between 3 different types of colors, you know, and this one was too bright and this one was too, so I picked the middle one, and you know, just problems. Fun like at your show live stream. Well, that's it, Santorn. We're done for today. Do you think Bitcoin will go red or green this September? What do you think so far? The September is too low. I can tell you what I think is gonna be today or tomorrow most likely, but you know, September is too big. September is too big. Maybe just sideways for September. Maybe just side. Tell me why Sol and FTM I won't stop. I know FTM. We've been talking about FTM on Patreon as well before, and you know, and I've got a big history with FTM. You know, where is FTM? Just let me just find FTM. I can talk say a quick word about FTM. If I just can find on my list, there's it, 20% up. I'll tell you guys. You can go check my previous videos on FTM, man. FTM did an insane run up here, right? 3,453%, and then it went down. And I started making videos about FTM down here, and I was saying how this is done. Like when something goes up this much, you know, it goes down, you know, it's done, it's dead. And then it, you know, did another one of these moves. And then it goes down back down here, and it continues doing this. So every time it does have a pullback, it you know, the pullback, this is the 78% pullback, and this is we can call it up from here, 85% pullback. It does one of these big runs. I don't know why, but it does one of these big runs for like 6,000%, 3,400%, 1,000% now. So if it's like gonna be something like 3,000%, it's gonna go something like 5 or something like that. I don't know. But right now, you know, it's it is getting up there. Maybe it was just because it was, you know, low on market cap, you know, undervalued. Might be something like that. But it does big moves. It does big moves, you know. So I started making videos about it here. You know, I did not thought it's gonna do that, and it did that. You know, so stuff happens. Stuff happens, guys. Is October month bullish, same as last year? Do you think history can repeat itself? Yeah, of course. Why not? Why not? October is gonna be super bullish. So let's just sideways September, and then we'll have you know, bullish October. Great stream. My heart can handle 1 minute charts. Later, man. See you around. Yeah, I gotta go. There's stuff happening. I gotta go. Okay. So yeah, basically, I think we're gonna have a small pullback today. It would be good if that pullback never came, you know, but you know, it would be nice just continue up here, but you know, some kind of sideways action or pullback down to this red line would be nice. Definitely nice. New moon tonight. No, you're wrong, man. It's full moon. Oh, it's full moon tonight. No, it's new moon. Moon phases. Oh, it's new moon, guys. It's new moon. Oh, this is new moon. This is full moon. So full moon, you know, worked nicely. You know, picked nicely. This was actually a bullish new moon. Bullish new moon. But full moon right now pushed us towards. Right now we're getting another new moon. So we're gonna see if this new moon, like over here, doesn't push us down, but only goes something like sideways. Even better, it goes a little bit up. You know, this is gonna be super bullish signal. So we're gonna see if the new moon is gonna actually pump us up. Love from India. Yeah, guys, watch your nano. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. I gotta go. See you around. Bye bye.